excited are you for Sephora today?
Really, really excited.
And you dressed up as a Sephora worker for Halloween, is that right?
Yeah. Well, I had kind of had like the whole idea, like planned for the whole year. Yeah, it was really fun.
She's very excited. She's always going through my makeup and all my products. So whenever I told her it was coming, she was wondering when it was, and she was really glad she was off for midterm so we could put this into her little holiday break.
So excited.
It was this girl's birthday the other day, so this is why we're here.
Yeah, I'm sending my
She
money.
wanted to come to Sephora opening for her birthday.
Well, what was your reaction when you heard that Sephora was coming here?
I was shocked. My jaw was on the floor.
It's hard to sort of see how far the queue goes. How long do you think you'll be waiting?
Hopefully not too long, but yeah, probably another hour, maybe 2.
And are you going to be spending lots of money in here today?
Dad's money, not mine.
Your dad's money? How do you feel about that, Dad?
Well, it has to be done.
Signed up for it.
Amy's more excited. Amy's.
Are you more excited?
Yeah.
Is he here for you?
Yeah.
Very good.
Carry the bags.
I'll probably pay him for it as well. It's just not a good day for me, is it?
My name is Sarah Boyd and I'm the Managing Director of Sephora for the UK and Ireland. We just saw this incredible, fizzy, vibrant, bright community in Belfast and in Northern Ireland that were just desperate for us to come. So we had to be here. I know we've got over 1,500 people in the queue outside already and we're not even open yet. So it's going to be a busy afternoon, but we're going to do our best to get everyone through as quickly as possible so that everyone can come and experience our amazing new store.